This is the first message that I can see on this particular platform on this website. Success is the result of unity, and as a matter of fact, if a team is going to crush their opponent in any sport, I believe they need to work together as a team. They need to be in unity. There shouldn't be any selfish interest in or among the players. So, success is truly the result of unity. Okay, I hereby present to you Xareex.Eu. This particular platform is what I'm going to share with you, the opportunities therein, and I'm going to do a brief review of this particular investment platform today. But before I go further in this video, I'd like to say where I'd like to say welcome to this platform, welcome to this channel once again. I'm very happy to have you back here. This is Lasogenic Bistock. So Lasogenic Bistock is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment platform, on how to make online, how to be financially free, how to be secure. If you're new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do that now and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notifications so that you'll be continually aware of the next update. Okay, I created this channel so that I can share with you some ways whereby I personally have been making money online, and I think it's really worth sharing. And I also do review on online investment platform to know if it is what someone can do, to know the pros and cons about it, so that you can take your own personal decision, maybe to join or to stay away from it. All right, this channel is mainly for financial education and not for financial advice. So for that reason, if you have any question concerning any of the content here, feel free to ask, share your opinions with me so that so that we can learn from each other, because as I said earlier, this platform is mainly for financial education. And besides, I'm not trying to scare you from some opportunities that you can explore here, but I just need to tell you the fact, because everything in life, both online and offline, they are full of risk, they are risky. But for you not to take a risk is even riskier. But I will always advise that whenever you are taking a risk, take a calculated one, and don't put all your money into one investment platform. Don't put your money for basic needs into online investments. Don't take a loan because you want to invest online. Just invest what you know you can afford. All right, so by so doing, it's going to reduce the risk of losing your money, and also you will be at rest even if the unwanted happen. All right, so once again, I welcome you to this channel. This is Last Journey Stock. You can browse through the channel. There are several videos here. I think I have up to 265 videos. Watch them and do your own personal findings before you jump into any of the business being shared here. And if you have any question, if you have an opinion, you can chat me up on WhatsApp or through my email or through the comment section of this video. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. Okay, so once again, what you are considering is Xareex.Eu. So this is an online investment platform that I came across some days ago, and some of my subscribers need a review about it, and here I am today about this particular company. So success is the result of unity. Sign up. So okay, let me quickly read about this company. Management professional management of funds of individuals and companies by making timely investment decisions to increase clients' portfolio on daily basis. Okay, the company provides a stable income and the opportunity to start your own business with the full support of the company. This allows the business to scale in many regions of the world at the same time, thereby opening up new opportunities for our clients. All right, so these are interesting story about the company. The company's vision: we are creating a sustainable business model that opens up new opportunities and allow us to build a mutually beneficial partnership between partner and company. Okay, so that is the company's vision. So you too, you can just read through this through the messages, through the information on the platform to know much about it, any and business development opportunities. Okay, and these are some videos that you can watch on YouTube to know much about Xareex.eu leadership, how to start business with Xareex. Step 1, learn about marketing and create a personal account. Step 2, replenishment of your balance and opening a bank deposit. Step 3, withdrawing profits. Step 4, increasing income and team development. All right, website guide, a complete video guide to Xareex website, which provide detailed step-by-step instruction on how to use the website. So you can go through all these videos here to know much about Xareex. All right, and we have some presentation in different languages here. We have English, French, Hindi, German, and Persian presentation. So actually I have downloaded that of the English because that stands to be the international language that is being understood by many. All right, and I'm going to share you a brief review of English presentation right now. Okay, so let's check the English presentation. So I've downloaded it and I'm going to share with you some information about it right now. All right, this is it. Okay, what Xareex? So let me increase this one a bit. Okay, Xareex is a leading digital financial company providing complex investment solution. So let's go to paragraph 2. We use digital technologies for fast and effective transaction as well as algorithms and automated trading system for stable profitability from markets. So what does this mean? This really means that they are into trading. They are into trading, but they are not very specific about the particular trading that they are into. Is it forex trading? Is it stock? Is it cryptocurrency? Is it gold? So we are not really being informed about the particular market they are trading on, about the particular goods or commodity that they are trading, but we are sure that they are trading according to the information that we have here. Xareex implements the data ecosystem with a range of services, first and foremost to create comfortable environment for the clients and to increase the audience of the community. So for this, for the fact that you are uh, for the fact that the you are also as a client to increase the audience of the community, it simply means that they have something like an like MLM platform, that is multi-level marketing platform, like a networking platform whereby like a pyramid, but in as much people are making money through it, I think it's worth giving it a try. But as I always tell you, don't put all your money in any online investment platform. So why people choose Xareex? Stable daily profit, global reach, competence and experience, reliability through variety of market and trading strategies, advanced technologies, VIP conditions, fast payback, daily withdrawal limits without limit, zero withdrawal fee. Wow, these are interesting, highly interesting. So these are one of the things that I love about Xareex. All right. So then let's check for other thing here. How Xareex makes profits. Depot 5,000, one trading days, 2% plus 4% divided by 2, that is 3%. Average daily profit of the company, 50 trading days, that is 33% times 50, 150. Total profit of the company for 50 days. So they made 150% in 50 days. Profit sharing, investor profit, that is 65%. Company's profit, that is 85%. Okay, 85%. I think it should be 35%. 35%. So 12,500. Then you get 3,250, while they get 4,250. All right. So Xareex ecosystem 2023. So you can also go through this, and now these are the ecosystem products. So these are other things that they are into, news sites with current information about market announcement and new Xareex. All right, Xareex founder Phil Birch. So this is interesting. They have their identity is not that ambiguous like other online investment platform out there. So Philip Berg, founder, Aksan Kiers, CEO, Andrea Malewski, CFO, Eliza Kolasa, CMO. All right. So now these are some of their certification. All right, this is from United States Office of the Secretary of State of the State of Colorado, certificate of fact of good standing. Then this is from the United Kingdom, filed copy certificate of incorporation of a private limited company. So you can go through this document to know how genuine they are. All right, these are the investments packages. So these are the investment packages in Xareex. Here, between if you invest between 50 to 499 dollars, you earn 0.9% daily for 20 days. for 20 days. So that means you are going to earn the total of 18% on your investment for 20 days. And this 20 days is just Monday to Friday for 20 days, Monday to Friday. So that is in let's say in the space of 4 weeks. In the space of 4 weeks, you get 18% profit on your capital. So this is huge. This is amazing. It's a wonderful opportunity. And for you to invest between $500 to $4,999. So you earn 1% daily, 1% daily for 35 days. So in total, you'll be earning 38.5% on your capital. 38.5% profit on your capital. So the third package here is for 50 days and is between the range of $5,000 and $49,999. Profits accrue from Monday to Friday. Daily profit accruals. So you earn 65% plus your capital after 50 days. Then the next one is for 70 days. 70 days package is $1,000 and $1 and is between Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday as well. So you earn 105% profit plus your capital after 70 days. And the next one, which is the last one, is 200 days package. 200 days package. So it's between 50 to 1 million, $50,000 to $1 million. Profits plus clawback accrue at the end of the deposit time. So you earn 500%. That is times 5 of whatever you deposited in this particular package after 200 days. So this is amazing and it's quite interesting. Also, you can also make money through the referral program. If you invest someone directly, you earn 9% on your level 1, on level 2, 6%, level 3, 4%, level 4, 4%, level 5, 3%, 6, 3%, 7, 8, 2% each, 9, 10, you earn 1% each on them. So these are other ways whereby you can make money in Xareex.Eu. Also the leadership rank, structural turnover and leadership bonus, you can earn also from this. So this is an opportunity. You can also check it out by yourself, do some research to know if it is what you can do. And as I said earlier, everything is risky, but you're not taking the risk is even riskier. But don't use your money for basic needs to invest in any online investment platform. Use what you can afford and don't put all your eggs in one basket. All right, this is what I have to tell you about this particular platform. I won't say it is scam and I won't say it is legit. But as for me, I can invest a little I know I can afford into this platform. So if you have done your research and you have make up your mind to do this particular investment to increase or to perhaps another stream of income, then just check the description box of this video for the registration link. I get you covered. Just check for the registration link there and sign up. After you sign up, deposit. I'm going to show you how to deposit. It's as simple as ABC. So after you have deposited, then go for a particular package that you know you are okay with, and at the end of the withdrawal, at the end of the business time, you are going to have your profit and your capital back. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, don't forget, it's very, very important. Give this video the widest publicity that you think it deserves. Many people, this is what they have been waiting for. They have been waiting for an information like this. All right, so just share it with your friends and family. Tell them also to do the same. Ensure you subscribe to this channel so that you can be aware of the next update. All right, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead and bye for now. I love you all. Till the next time, stay fit and well.